Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change contrast on AOC monitors. So what we need to do is basically find these buttons. So right here, as you can see, you can turn it off your monitor. This is the menu button, this is the arrows that you will navigate through the menu, and this is the exit button, as you can see right here. So what we need to do is basically click on the menu button. Then find the arrows, the luminance, as you can see. And then what we need to do is use your, as you can see, menu button. Then just, it will click like an enter. Then click on menu button again. And as you can see, you can adjust that with your arrows, how you want to look like. Then to confirm it, click again the menu button. And to exit, you'll need to click the exit button right here. And that's how you change your contrast on AOC Monitor. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.